Namaskar. Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, another Queen's dressing design for you in teak wood, white and gold paint, and one of the most royal designs in dressing, if you can see anywhere, is in Arson's catalog. Once you look at this, you'll believe what I'm saying. This one is 5 feet outer, 18 inches front to back. The height of the platform from the ground is 30 inches. The total height is 6.5 feet. In fact, a couple of inches more. This comes with a sitting stool, and that goes right inside the place we have here, and thus completing the set. Sitting stool is a nice concept because generally it takes time for ladies to dress up, unlike us, and they can sit and dress up and take their time. So it's good to have a sitting stool with a dressing, and it can go inside and you can remove it and keep outside also and keep in front and use it. This one has got 3 drawers here, 3 drawers that side, one big drawer in the middle, and similarly 3 drawers, one, two, three, three, and one in the middle. Storage area is a nice concept for a dressing because generally it's a lot of stuff that the ladies have and they can put in these drawers in place of a chest of drawers. This works nicely. The work, the carving, and the teak wood finishing that you see here is the quality that we are generating, we are crafting, creating, and sending across India and out of India as well. This one in particular is going to Kerala, and the kind of finish that we have here. If you look in Google, if you check in Google and find for some royal images of dressing, you will find most of the designs like these. But 90% of the pictures that you have on Google are not actual images, they are catalog images generated by computer. Similarly, we have one picture for this unit that was in catalog, and we have crafted an actual unit out of that. The one you're looking in here is white and with gold highlighting, and the highlighting is as per the client's choice. So the client wanted a heavy highlighting. Accordingly, we have done here. If you're looking for something light or more subtle, that can also be done. The design, the carving, the woodworking, the crafting work, everything we have here is the indigenous thing. The work on the design is done by hands. The artisans draw everything by hand, and finally they get the wood according to that structure. They cut it, then carve it, and the raw structure is created. Once the raw unit is done, then it's painted and polished by the local people, local artisans. And again, that is done by hand. A lot of hand rubbing and sanding, and then the painting part. Several coats of paint are done on it to get this final finish that you are seeing. If you have a closer look on this one, it's a mirror finish that you see, or the finish that you see generally in ceramic. And to get this kind of finishing, it requires a lot of effort as well as time. And one unit like this takes around 15 to 20 days to get completed, just for the paint part. The structural part is around a month's time because it has so much work everywhere. Wherever you see, there is carving and design and the crafting work with the flowers, leaves, petals design, the kind of curves we have on the legs here, on the drawers, in the on the lower area. Everywhere you see so much design, and that design, that thing takes a lot of time, lot of effort to get the actual unit designed for you. You may have seen a lot of furniture in stores near you, and when you compare the stuff that we are showing you in more than 400 plus videos that we have on YouTube, we have shown you so much stuff in different colors, different fabrics, different designs. If you compare with any local store, you will find that Arson has such a huge range of furniture that you will not find anywhere locally. If I'm not wrong, there is no company anywhere in the world across the globe who may have shown you anything like this type of design, completely finished and in so huge range that we have shown you so far. And every day we are getting a lot more created because we are not machine people. We do it by hand. We don't have big machines to make to manufacture the stuff. So we don't manufacture, we create, we craft. And the crafting that you see here is the indigenous, the art of India, art of our city, Saharanpur. This one is going to Kerala. Anywhere in India we want, we can deliver there. Out of India also, to most of the places we are delivering. So you can contact us and we can make something more beautiful like this. The design work, the artwork, the creation is all that we are working on. And if you have any design in your mind that has got crafting work, we don't make plain furniture, we don't make cheap furniture. This is not cheap stuff. This is premium and royal quality. And obviously, the prices are not like Italian furniture. We are Indian and the prices are Indian. The work is though comparable to any part of the globe. You pick any company from the globe and compare our stuff, you will find us at par with them. In fact, a little better in some cases. As this is our art, I request you to let us know how we are doing. A little appreciation gives a lot of confidence to the artisans as well as us also who are making these and sending globally. Look at the unit from all the angles, and you will get the feeling what the work is. Would request you to let us know how we are doing. Please drop in a few comments. Would be more than happy. Thank you so much.